Good morning, dear students. Welcome to math class. Yes, today you are going to learn conversions of large numbers. Yes, we have two rules here to convert numbers. What are they? Let us see. Rule number 1, rule number 2. Rule number 1. To move up to larger place values from smaller place values in a place value chart, successive place values are multiplied by 10. Okay, we'll see the examples later on. Now second rule is to move down to smaller place values from larger place values in a place value chart, successive place values are divided by 10. Okay, let us see the examples now. Yes, we got it. Rule 1, to move up to larger place values, and we have place value chart here. See, this is the example. 4 into dash is equal to 40,000. That means smaller place value into dash is equal to larger place value. That means from smaller place value we are going to get larger place value. Okay, so 4 is in ones place. Okay, so here is the ones place and we have to get answer 40,000. So 10,000's place. Here it is in place value chart. Okay. Now how to? Yes, you know the rule 1. We have to multiply successive place values by 10. Once successive place value is 10's place value. Okay. So into 10. Here it is. Yes, you can see here into 10. Next, 10's successive place value is hundreds. So again into 10. Hundreds successive place value is thousands. So again into 10. And thousands successive place value is 10,000s. So one more 10. So we have multiplied from ones place to 10,000's place. Okay. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So how much you'll get? See the last step, 4 into 1000, because here we have 4 zeros followed by 1. So 4 into 1000 is equal to 40,000. Understood? Now we'll see the next example. 700 into dash is equal to 70 lakh. 700 means you are already in hundreds place value. You have to get 70 lakh. That means 10 lakhs place value. Okay. So in between how many place values are there here? Let us count. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This also we have to take 4. So 4 successive place values should be multiplied by 10. See here children. 700 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 to get 70 lakh. So 700 into 10,000, okay, is equal to 70 lakh. This is the method to get larger place values from smaller place values. From smaller place values we are moving to larger place values. Understood all of you? Okay. Next, let us move to second rule. Yes, to move down to smaller place values. Here we have place value chart again. That means you are already there in larger place values. So you have to move to smaller place values. See the example. Yes, 5,000. That means you are already here in thousands place value. You have to get 510. That means tens place value. From here you are moving. Okay. So 5,000 divided by, yes, this is rule 2. So divided by how many times you are moving towards tens place? 1 and 2. So See the last step, it is there in the brackets. 5000 divided by 10, that means once you moved, so 10 is equal to 500. But you have to get 5 tens, right? That means 50. 50 you should get. So again you have to divide. 500 divided by 10 second time. So 50. So you got answer 5, 10, 50. Therefore 5000 divided by 100. 10 into 10. That means 2 tens you have taken. So 100. 5000 divided by 100 is equal to 50. Okay. Let us see next example. Okay. 9 crore. We are in crores place. 9 crore divided by dash is equal to 900. We are here. Okay. So how many place values you have to move down? Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So you have taken here, see children, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 followed by 1. Okay. So 9 crore divided by 1 lakh. 5 zeros followed by 1 means how much? 1 lakh, right? So 9 crore divided by 1 lakh is equal to 900. I have given clear steps in the brackets. See here, 9 crore divided by first step is 10 lakhs you have to move, no? So divided by 10. So 90 lakh. Then 90 lakh divided by 10 because you have to move to lakhs place. So 9 lakh. Again 9 lakh divided by 10. So you'll move to 10,000s. That means 90,000s. 90,000 divided by 10. That means you are moving to thousands place. So 10 is equal to 9,000. 9,000 divided by 10 is equal to 900. So 5 tens you have used. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means from crores place you have moved 5 steps. Got it all of you? This way we have to do conversions of large numbers. I hope you understood well. Thank you.